Hello, welcome to our first travel vlog this year. So, for our first travel vlog this year, guess where we are, guys? Tadaan! We are in Paris. We're in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. So, this is not our first time sa Taiwan, but this is our first time in Kaohsiung. Today is January 17, and I'm already at our hotel room actually. Time check. It's 6 minutes past 8 p.m. guys. We arrived 20 minutes ago here sa hotel namin sa Kaohsiung. I want to talk about our travel from airport. So we flew AirAsia. So sa NAIA Terminal 3 kami. We arrived there at around 1 p.m. and na-clear na kami ng immigration around almost 2. Our flight was at 4:30 or 4:25 p.m. and we flew on time. We arrived at almost 6 p.m. here in Kaohsiung. So, immigration experience. Sobrang hina ng internet kanina, guys. So, there actually was no question asked. It's just that sobrang hina ng internet. Yung immigration nila, yung airport sa Kaohsiung is more strict than Taipei basing sa experience namin kanina. So, nagtatanong talaga sila kung kailan uuwi or maybe kami lang, no? I'm not sure if lahat tinanong, but sa experience namin kanina, maraming tanong, sino ang kasama, saan pupunta, ano mga pupuntahan, kailan kami uuwi, saan kami mag-stay. Hiningan pa nga ako ng return ticket. So that was my experience kanina dito sa Kaohsiung Airport. Then after immigration, 'di ba, dadaan ka ng customs. Tapos kung wala ka i-declare, doon ka sa nothing to declare. Kahit nothing to declare, i-scan pa din yung mga bags. Lahat ng hand carry tsaka malalaking bags. Pa din saan tawag doon? X-ray. But before that, may dog pa na pinapasniff talaga lahat ng bag. So, yung mga backpack namin, pinapababa talaga para ipasniff sa aso. So, ganun ka-strict and we understand naman. But yeah, just sharing what we experienced sa Kaohsiung Airport. So, yun na nga. When we went out, may train na from airport. So while I'm speaking, I recorded some videos. So I'll show some videos while I'm speaking. So my train na from airport, it's called Red Line. And going to our hotel, bumaba kami sa Formosa station. It meets or intersects with Orange Line. So we transferred to Orange Line. Tapos one station lang. I'm definitely not pronouncing this right, Tianjin, but that's not how yung tunog sa train, hindi ganyan yung pag-pronounce niya sa station. But we alighted at Tianjin station, then a few minutes walk na lang going to our hotel. The name of our hotel is Sky One Hotel. We booked it sa Agoda. The price was around 2K. I'm gonna display the price here. And we'll be here for just 2 nights, so we paid around 5K. Super spacious, guys. While I'm speaking, I'm touring you around. I'm showing you the room pagkadating talaga namin a while ago. Sobrang laki ng bed, is double bed, I guess. Tapos ito, may sofa. Ito may parador, may hanger, may table, may isa pang maliit na table, may may malaking bintana. Then sobrang laki ng CR, may TV, and ang cold ng aircon. So we'll be in Kaohsiung, guys, for 48 hours actually. Yeah, roughly 2 days. And we'll see. I'll show you kung saan kami pupunta bukas. I-add ko din pala. While nasa pa kami, Manila, we booked Taiwan eSIM, which I will display here. That's just for 2 days, only data. Don't forget, guys, if you go to Taiwan, you have to log your details sa Taiwan arrival card. which is online. I'm gonna put the link on the description. Huwag niyong kalimutan when you leave Philippines sa eGov.ph na app, which I will display here, and the link then sa description. And you have to fill that out for arrival as well when you go back to Philippines. Travel tax, the same, 1620. If you process it online, which is already available in eGov.ph na app, there's a convenience fee of 25 pesos. But we did it through that app kasi mahaba yung pila kanina around 1 p.m. when we arrived at NAIA Terminal 3. Sobrang haba ng pila for travel tax. So mabuti lang ginawa ko siya while nasa Grab papuntang airport kanina. Yun ang pinaka-importante. The links are below sa description ng video na to. So just click the links and check the links, guys. First itinerary namin supposedly is going to Liuhe Night Market, which is just along this street sa hotel namin. So very convenient. Just a few meters lang na walk and you'll get to that night market. This is a very spontaneous travel, and so happened na sick siya. And I'm still recovering from cough actually. But we pushed through. Tinuloy namin. So ngayon, he can't go down. He cannot go to the night market. So ako na lang pupunta doon. I'm not sure if I can vlog since I'm not yet comfortable vlogging alone. But I'm gonna record some clips. So, kaya ngayon, ito yung intro video natin sa first travel vlog natin this year dito sa Kaohsiung, Taiwan. So, ito na. I'll be preparing. Mag-chinelas na siguro ako. Bababa na ako. Pupunta ako ng night market. Let's go. I'm going to the night market now all by myself. Let's see kung ano yung mapibili natin na. I'm here walking alone. That's tourist night, Liuhe Market. Liuhe Night Market. Let's go. Let's see kung anong food ang nandito. Ito may oyster. Hello guys, hindi ako masyado naka-vlog kanina sa labas, but nag 7-Eleven ako, bumili ako ng omelette beef curry rice, tsaka chicken cutlet curry for me. Then doon sa Liuhe Night Market, bumili ako ng fried chicken na spicy. Bumili kami nito sa Taipei few months ago. Then may isang panin na tinda na may pila. So bumili din ako. It's 50 NTD each. So bumili ako ng dalawa. Anong laman niya? Mayroon siyang meat tsaka vegetables inside. Coke Zero. Sa 7-Eleven. Yun lang, bumalik na ako dito. But sobrang daming gusto ko sanang i-try doon sa Liuhe Night Market. Kaso bugbog today. Medyo tired na. Kaya hindi ako masyado naka-vlog doon. Nag-record na lang ako ng ilang videos. Tapos umuwi na ako para mag-dinner. After nito, magre-rest na kasi maaga pa bukas. So, this is not our official day 1. Kakarating na namin ng Kaohsiung. So, see you tomorrow.